Welcome to our step-by-step guide on enrolling for the integrated payments feature powered by Stripe. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting out, this video will walk you through each stage of the process, ensuring you have everything you need for a successful setup. Before we dive in, make sure you have access to the email and phone number you'll use for the account, your business tax ID, bank account details, and the personal information of the authorized signer. Let's get started. First, locate and click the unique link provided within your software account. This will direct you to the Stripe enrollment form, a crucial first step in integrating secure payments into your business operations. The enrollment form will prompt you to enter an email address. Use one you can easily access, as you'll receive a verification email. Remember, you can change this email address later if needed. Next, you're going to set up multi-factor authentication. Using an app like Google or Microsoft Authenticator, scan the QR code and enter the 6-digit verification code on the following screen. From there, you will be prompted to open the link in the confirmation email sent to you to continue. Before continuing, copy and store the emergency backup code as a precaution. The form will default to the United States as your business location. Fill in your business structure accurately, reflecting your official registration, whether it's an LLC, corporation, or nonprofit. Enter your legal business name, tax ID, and any DBA names, ensuring they align with your IRS registration. Add your business address, phone number, industry type, and a brief description of your services or products. For your business's protection, the enrollment requires details of an authorized signer, who is a key representative of your company. Fill in the authorized signer's full legal name, a valid email for verification, job title, date of birth, the last 4 digits of their social security number for security checks, and their home address for further verification purposes. Make sure the contact number provided is accurate and belongs to the signer, affirming their ownership stake of 25% or more. If less, you'll be prompted about other owners, ensuring thorough validation. Attaching your bank account is the next critical step. Enter the correct routing and account number to guarantee the precise deposit of funds. Your customers will see the statement descriptor on their bank statements, so it should clearly represent your business or DBA. Keep it concise but recognizable to avoid chargebacks. Also, include your business's support contact info like a phone number and address for direct customer queries, establishing credibility and ease of access. The last step involves a thorough review of all the information you've entered. The system will flag any potential errors or incomplete fields, so pay close attention and make any necessary corrections. This proactive check aims to ensure all details are accurate and compliant. Once you've confirmed the accuracy of your information, submit the enrollment form. Be prepared for possible follow-ups from Stripe for additional verification or clarification, facilitating a smooth account setup process. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the Stripe enrollment process. Once your information is verified, you're all set to accept payments seamlessly through your integrated solution. Stripe may reach out if further clarification is needed, so keep an eye on your email for any additional steps. If the information is filled out accurately, the account can be approved within minutes, allowing you to immediately start accepting payments. Thank you for following along with our guide. Here's to your business's continued success and growth with Stripe.